guys, your boy S4 James. I'm back with another unboxing. Today we have FitCamX, a dash company, like a car dash company. You know, the cameras that you put in front of your cars, so you can have rolling video just in case you get in an accident or you see something wild. So yeah, dash cam. So these guys sent me a product for my 2016 BMW 535i, and let's unbox it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there's tape there. It's not sharp enough. Yep, there we go. It's on both sides. All right, let's open her up. So give me the accessory box and the dash cam. So let's go with the dash cam first. Open her up. See what she looks like. Alright, let's see what we got. So what I know is that these are integrated cams. And when I say integrated cam, I mean you know where your wind visor is at. Not your wind visor, your windshield visor in the front of your car. This is supposed to go around it. It's supposed to replace it. And it's supposed to connect through there with a wire that's there. It's a wire that you connect it with. And this will go in place of it so it can get you your full like wide span of like seeing everything on the road. So that's one. This is pretty cool too. Nicely made. Let's go with the next one. What is this? Oh, sheesh. This looks like a bracket. Like a bracket. This is like a fix the brackets to foam, remove. What kind of bracket is this? Ah, okay. Okay, this is a bracket for you to shoot a dash camera installation instruction. So if you want to sit here and show people how you're going to install this, which we will in the next video after this, I'll show you guys how to install this in 2016 BMW. So this is a little bracket that you put here for you to show how you're supposed to install this camera. Oh Lord, everything's flying away. And this looks like this. Oh, it's like a little suction for you to put it in. Oh, it bends too. It moves around. And then right here, you can just press that and it'll go into the windshield. So, okay, that's cool. This is the first part of it. Let's get to the second part. Second part is accessory box. What we got in here? Oh, okay, these are installation instructions. Like, not instructions, but pieces for you to install it. They give you like a panel puller. This is for you to split in between where your windshield mirror is at. You can split it in between with this, the popper on open, so you can get this around. This is a SD reader card. I assume that goes on the side of this right here for this little SD card that's in here. You can plug this into your computer to get all the information off of it. So, okay, they give you everything. All right, all right. Last but not least, there's a manual because there's an app with this. So once you have this installed in your BMW, your camera's now working and rolling, you can get your videos off this camera app right here that's on here with the little barcode. So all right, that's our unboxing on this. Looks pretty good. Get ready for the next video. We're going to install this in my my 2016 BMW.